Okay, same deal. This time let's look at the French 6. The French 6, the recipe is flat 6, sharp 4, 1. Same thing we already know, except we don't have this flat 3, we have a 2. No alterations to that 2. Okay, so you're seeing 1 and 2, and you're thinking, that's kind of weird. You're right. Okay, so let's use our technique again. Let's go over here. Let's stick to A minor, so we're going to add, and we're going to go E, oops. Don't want whole notes, man. Okay, E, E. Okay, so we make our flat 6, sharp 4 with an F and a D sharp. Okay, there's our flat 6 for sharp 4. Now we're in the key of A, so our 1 is going to be A, and our 2 is going to be B. There it is. And that gives us the French augmented 6 chord. Okay, let's finish out that 5 chord. So E, G, sharp, let's make it B, and then A, C, E, and let's put an A at the bottom. Oops. There. All right, so let's hear it. Okay, let's hear the difference between German and French. Right? There's a difference. It's this note versus that note, right? It's that flat 3 versus the 2. This 2 makes it a little crunchier, right? It's a little more, I don't know. It's hard to say. It's just a little thicker because of that 2 in there. And going back to what I was talking about the crazy tests that we had to take, here was my trick for remembering this. This is silly, but I'm going to tell you anyway. When I learned this and had to memorize the notes, the way that I remembered this one was that I personally prefer French food to German food. So I would think this 2 makes it a little tastier by that having that 2 in there. It adds a little taste to it that I like. Whereas the German doesn't have that extra tastiness. So when I would listen to them, I would think, ooh, that one's a little tastier. It's got to be French. So there you go. That's how I remembered them. I apologize for any German folks watching this. I think your food is great as well. I've just spent more time in France eating their food. So there you go. Okay, so these are the recipes for the 3 augmented 6 chords. All 3 of them have the augmented 6 in them, the flat 6 to sharp 4 recipe. The Italian 6 has a 1. The German 6 has a 1 and a flat 3. The French 6 has a 1 and a 2. Cool? That's how they work. Okay, let's look at them in a little more context.